Hi everyone, I hope you are doing amazingly well. So today after so long I'm gonna do an Amazon beauty haul. Amazon keeps running some or the other sale every month. So you're gonna find all of these products at some amazing discounts. I will leave the link to buy these products in my description box below. So yeah, now without any further ado, let's just get started with the video. So the first product I have here is this Swiss Beauty Water Drop Blemish Balm, and this one I got in the shade 04. I think they come in only 4 shades and I got the darkest one. This is how it looks from the inside, and I will just swatch it for you guys here. I haven't tried this blemish balm yet, so yeah, this is how it looks. I think it might suit me, or it might, I'm not really sure if it would suit me, but yeah, it looks like a very dewy and lightweight BB cream. So, if you get your shade in this one, maybe you can try it. But I would say that the shade range is pathetic to cater to a lot of Indian skin tones. Then I got two concealers from Cuffs and Lashes. This is how it looks. I got the shade 1717, which is pure white, and the other one is 06. I cannot find the shade name, but yeah, the shade 06 is a highlighting concealer for me. This is what I have applied on my under eyes right now, and it is beautiful. It is full coverage and a little goes a long way. This is how the white one looks like. I won't say it is a white, it's sort of more off-white creamy shade. I heard that they have recently changed the formula of the white and the colored cover pots, and they are not that good. So my fingers are crossed. I hope that this one turns out good, and it's just their old formula, because I had been hunting for white concealers for such a long time, and now that I have finally bought one white concealer, I do not want it to be really bad choice. Then next in the category of makeup, I got the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Mini Liquid Lipstick. I got this in the shade Brown Souvenir, and it's a beautiful shade. I'll just show you guys. This is how it looks from the inside, and I will swatch it right here. It is a beautiful terracotta brown shade. The formula of these matte melt mini liquid lipsticks are amazing. They are top notch. They are very lightweight. I am yet to try the shade, but I have tried the formula and it is gorgeous. So you can definitely try these lipsticks out. They also come in a full size and the mini variant. Next, I got this Ramson's Erotica perfume, and I saw Shreya Jain rave about it, so I bought it. This is how it looks from the inside. The packaging is beautiful. It is glass. It looks luxurious. About the fragrance, like, I'm very bad at explaining fragrances, but this one is too strong for my preference. I mean, the fragrance is nice. I have also used it a bit, so the fragrance is nice. It is long lasting, but it is just way too strong. The fragrance is not too feminine, like it is not floral and fruity. So if you are, if you prefer fragrances that are musky, woody, then maybe you would like this. Then I got the Gillette Venus Breeze razor refills. These are just the blades. So I actually already have the razors. I just got the blades because the blades get blunt after a few usage. With these, you do not need something else to reduce the friction, like soap, conditioner, or maybe a foaming shaving cream. You do not need all of those, so it is a good thing because it comes with these gel bars. Next, I purchased a sunscreen, and this is a serum sunscreen from Cos IQ. It is SPF 50, and it says that it is full spectrum coverage, UVA, UVB and IR protection, and is sweat and water resistant and has no white cast. Now, I already used this sunscreen and it is a beautiful formula. This sunscreen is very watery and lightweight. It gives your skin a little dewy finish. It is not matte at all, but yeah, it doesn't make your skin oily or greasy as well, which is amazing. But the only con I would say in this one is that it is way too expensive. It is rupees 700 for just 30 ml of product, because see, with sunscreens you actually need a lot of sunscreen to make sure that your skin is sun protected. So I generally use about 3 pumps of it for my face and neck, so this one would just finish off too quickly. But yeah, this is a lovely sunscreen. No white cast, no dryness, and sits beautifully under makeup as well. Next, I got this L'Oreal Dream Lens No Haircut Cream. This is leave-in conditioner sort of a thing. It claims that it seals split ends, strengthens length and tips. Now it does not really seal split ends because that is not practically possible until unless you do not cut or chop your hair off. So yeah, it does not really seal your split ends, but it just makes your hair look more frizz-free and manageable. It also offers heat protection for hair styling up to 180 degrees Celsius, which is also really good. But yeah, basically it just makes your hair less prone to breakage because it detangles them, and it adds a lot of shine to your hair as well without weighing it down. Then the last product I got in this haul is this Juicy Chemistry Chili Horsetail and Black Seed Hair Oil, and I have heard a lot of good things about this one, that it helps reduce hair fall and also stimulate new hair growth. So I have just used it about 2 times till now, but yeah, I will still have to use it for a prolonged period to see any difference in my hair. This is how it looks from the inside. Mind you, do not take it too near your eyes, otherwise it will burn. And also, while you are shampooing your hair, after you have applied this, make sure your eyes are shut tight, because as it says, it has chili in it. So you know, once you shampoo it and the water runs down, it might tingle a bit. So yeah, just be a little careful. And yes, with that we finish this video. Again, the link to buy all of these products will be mentioned in my description box below. Amazon is also having wedding season sales, so you might find a lot of these products and a lot of other products at some great deals, so do not miss out. And yeah, now that being said, I will now take a leave from you guys and see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.